As you can see, I don't have a good ceiling to hang a hoist from. I have a truck cap that I want to be able to take on and off by myself. Right now I took it off. It's on some horses, but I made a contraption that bolts to my engine hoist, or cherry picker, whatever you prefer to call them. Just put a chain around this so it won't flop forward. This is based on a design a friend of mine got from a Chevy forum for picking up his cab to his, I'm not quite sure what year it is, it's 71, 72 Chevy pickup. I'm assuming I think it's a C10, but that doesn't matter. So I just wanted to be able to pick this up and be able to move it by myself. Trying to film this with one hand and move everything with the other. I'll jack it up a little bit to pass the okay. My GoPro is out of batteries, so I don't have I can't mount it on a tripod. I don't have a mount for my phone. As you can see, it's going up off of the horses. The chain is going to stop it from falling forward. It's pretty sturdy. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. And I can just, I just got to get it up 4 feet, thereabouts. And I can go from there. I can back the truck right up under it. And it should be smooth sailing. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but it's just the way it is. Life gets in the way sometimes. All right, hope this gives somebody some ideas. Maybe there's room for improvement. I'd love to hear any comments and feedback and whatnot. Okay, thanks.